Origami time. Let's photo wish today. Take a square of paper, smooth and neat. Lay it down before you feel the beat. Fold it corner to corner, make a line. Take your time, my friend, you're doing fine. Open it up and do it once more. A beautiful cross from corner to shore. Turn it over, press the sides right through. A little magic square is waiting for you. We are making a crane, watch it fly. With paper wings up into the sky. Fold by fold, a wish comes alive. Just keep going, see your dreams arise.